Right, so in last topic we have seen about guardrails, and this is the hands-on part on that guardrails. So let's see how a guardrail is created in AWS. So we'll just come in Amazon Bedrock and we'll search for guardrails. So in build there is guardrails, and here we can see. So we just click on create guardrails. We just write uh, demo guardrails, and you can get any description if you want. And this is the message that the model should display for the block prompts, and we'll click on next. If we want to change this, we can change this also. And here we have filters, so content filters. So we would just create harmful categories, and we will see that yes, we have hate, insult, sexual violence, and misconduct. So we have blocked all that in high priority, and we would do. You can do this, and yes, we need to allow the cross-region interference for this, but we just keep classic, and we can create a denied topic. Meaning we can block any topic if we want. So we would just write I'm sorry, let's say sports. So any any prompt referring to sports should be blocked. So yes, the model would also get the model would block anything if I would ask anything regarding sports or any sports. So we would just hit on confirm, and we can add any other topic if we want. So we'll just create on next. Profanity filter, that if anyone is using profane words, we can block it by clicking by doing the profanity on. And yes, you can add a custom phrase or anything. You just click on next. And yes, PII is personally identifiable information, so we can use any PII, let's say phone number. So we just confirm this, that if there is any phone number, we can block that. Or and yes, we would also do that, we need to mask this. So yes, so you just mask it rather than blocking, so we are not able to see the phone number. And this is a regex pattern, so you can filter custom types of sensitive information by the guardrail behavior. And we click on next. We can also do a contextual grounding check. We can do this, or we can just keep it as it is. There is no need to worry. And you can also do an automatic reasoning check. This is optional. And demo guard rails. And yes, so we would create a guardrail, and we would also interact with this. So just a moment. So yes, so we have this test. So we would first select our model, and we'll only use the cheapest model, Amazon's text G1. And here you can see apply guardrail. So yes, so we would just I tell me something about basketball. Okay, so as per the guardrail, anything for spot should not run. So we just test this. So yes, so here you can see the model cannot answer this question because we have selected that anything related sports should be blocked. So guardrail is answering this. Now we can also change this, and we would see that if the model is answering us correctly or not. So we would just write, draft me an email that says I need 5 chairs and 10 tables and deliver it to my address and call me on this number, that is let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. And yes, also include this number in the email. So this was draft me an email. And yes, so it is masking the phone number. As you can see that we selected for PII, personally identifiable information. And here we can also see that we have written phone but not the actual phone number that we selected. And yes, so we can also check the guardrails in the chat text playground. So just come here, we would select any model and apply that. And here we can also set guardrails. So you can see that our made guardrail demo guardrails is here. And we can also ask here about basketball, and we'll just try to run that how it is behaving. And yes, as you can see, this is working in the chat and text playground. The guardrail is working perfectly. And yes, and in next topic we'll be looking at agents and how to interact with them. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. And yes, thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.